The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Ndlea, in collaboration with the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, UNODC, has flagged off a week-long activities marking this year's International Day Against Drug Trafficking, Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Addressing the media on activities lined up to celebrate the day, the Ndlea chairman, Brigadier General Buba Marwa, retired, says the anti-doping agency will create call centers in Nigeria for counsel and the treatment of drug users. Clearview TV's Imefon has the details.
As Nigeria celebrates this year's International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, the chairman of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Ndlea, Muhammad Buba Marwa, says concerted efforts have been made to put an end to curb drug production, trafficking, and sale in the country.
Wednesday, 22nd of June is NGO Day, set aside for all non-governmental organizations working in the drug abuse prevention advocacy spectrum to hold their various activities in celebration of UN Anti-Drug Day 2022. On Monday, 27th of June, the grand finale of the celebration of this year's World Drug Day will hold at the State House Conference Hall, Presidential Villa. Similarly, our Drug Demand Reduction Department, both in the headquarters and at state commands, have been galvanized and working non-stop to ensure that the health aspect of the drug abuse calculus is getting adequate attention. In the same vein, the agency's policy of drug integrity test is predicated on getting help to drug users suffering in silence because they cannot seek the needed health treatment due to social stigma and discrimination. This is why, in a short while from now, we will be unveiling the Ndlea call center that will be manned by professionals and experts in counseling, psychotherapy, psychology, psychiatry, and more to offer help to drug users who will make use of our toll-free lines to seek counseling 24/7.
Country representative of United Nations Office on Drug and Crime, Oliver Stope, advised the federal government to launch a drug-related campaign in schools and provide counseling service for everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, based on the 2017-2018 data, we estimate that today there might be close to 6 million persons in Nigeria that could be living with a drug use dependency. We need to train teachers in 27,000 public and private secondary schools on the Unplugged methodology, which is a skill-based and evidence-based drug prevention program. This needs to happen now if we want to stem the tide of new young people becoming exposed to the issue of drug use and falling potentially into drug dependency.
The theme of this year's celebration is addressing drug challenges in health and humanitarian crisis. For the Ndlea, preventive approach remains the highest solution to drug abuse in Nigeria. The United Nations International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking holds on June 26 each year to raise awareness on the major problems caused by the consumption of illicit drugs in the society. Imefon reporting for Clearview Television.